Oh, mi gente, guys, what a beautiful day it is here in Long Island, baby. That's right here in Hewlett, New York. Today, we actually going to do a beautiful gas steam installation. This beautiful boiler, because they have no heat. But most importantly, guys, it's getting done by the A-team, guys, because over here at New York Boiler Air Conditioning Repair, that's right, we got the A-team to install this gas steam boiler. It's a Williamson boiler, and it's a 200,000 BTU boiler. So it's a pretty big boiler. It's a pretty heavy boiler than we normally do. But guys, I want to take the time to show you what it takes to put these type of boilers in, because the old boiler is heavy, baby. It's about 800 pounds, maybe close to 1,000 pounds. I don't know, but it's heavy, baby. But who's to say we don't got the guns, baby? Because here at New York Boiler, we got the guns, baby. We got the A-team. And guys, are you ready? Stay tuned, because, hey, it's going to be another one. Wepa. Okay, guys, man, let me show you what it is to do an actual installation the correct way, correctamente. That's right, guys. We always do it the correctamente. We always do it the right way. But the reason why I say that, because we made a mistake, as you guys saw in the last video. We made a mistake, we made a boo-boo, and we don't want to make that mistake again, because mistake costs time, and it costs money, and it costs headaches. So guys, notice that they're doing the actual steam riser right now, or the header, I should say. So you guys saw in the previous video, we did something called the reverse header. And the reason why we have a reverse header is to prevent any wet steam going out through the house. We don't want any hammering or banging. So guys, it's very important to pipe in the correct way, and that's the only way, if you ask me. But we don't want to make that mistake, so I had to go through it with the guys and explain to them and show them, hey guys, listen, you have to pay attention to details. So we got Theo right over here, we got Tony right here, and we got Leo right over here. We got the young guns over here. And guys, very intelligente, these guys. So if you need that intelligente crew, you got them right over here. But we already went through that. They're measuring, they're making sure that everything is in where the proper level, the proper height, so we don't make that mistake again. Of course, we had to take off the jacket. We make sure that all the controls are put back in the same place. I mean, a boiler installation is a pretty straightforward job in the sense that, like, it's the same thing, repetition, right? But it's not a straightforward job, because every house is different. Like the issue that we had with the staircase, like the issue we had with oh, somebody's calling. That could be another important call, but they're gonna have to hold on a minute, because guys, this is just as important as that call. So hey, what I want to say is, guys, watch the video, learn from this video, and if you have any questions, please holler at me. But guys, watch the video, tell me what you guys think, and wait to the end, because guys, you're gonna like this one. Another one. Wepa. Without further ado, there you go, baby. There you go. Bam! HVAC Papi approved. Wepa! Mi gente, it's Louis the Boilerman, and I am your Boilerman. Wepa! I'm the Boilerman. Yep. That's what I am. And I'm here to fix whatever I can. If you're getting cold and you're feeling blue, call New York Boiler and I'll be there for you. Showtime, okay. Action! That's right, guys. Here, the HVAC Papi just finished doing another one with the A-team. That's right, guys. We in Hewlett, and let me tell you, it's another beautiful boiler. It's another beautiful day, because they got heat, baby. And you know that all the misses out there, they want heat. You know, the hombre gotta give them heat, but you gotta give them heat two different ways. Cha-cha-cha-cha, and I give them the heat from the HVAC Papi. That's right, guys. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. So it's a GSA 200,000 BTU boiler, and we had to replace the inch and a quarter return line. So we had, we'll say maybe about 60 feet of inch and a quarter black pipe. But guys, check it out, check it out. Listen, and remember that mistake we did before? Papa, gotta pay attention. Very intelligente. Check it out. So right here, we got a reverse header. Boom. Going back all the way to the manifold over here. Our steam risers, and then we got an equalizer on the other side. We got an automatic water feeder. The only bad side to this job is that there's a defect on the actual low water cutoff. We gotta replace it. That shit happens. It's not our fault. It's nobody's fault. But it does happen, guys. But it's okay. It's gonna get fixed, and it's gonna be done tomorrow morning. What else? Guys, pay attention to how clean it is. It's level, it's straight. Just like every job should look like, right? I mean, if you ask me, that's the way every single job. All you burritas out there looking, make sure you take some notes and learn, because that's the way it's supposed to be, guys. Listen, I take pride in my work, I take pride in my team, and I take pride when I get a satisfied customer. So guys, if you have any questions, you need heat, you know who to call. Guys, do I have to remind you guys again? 516-377-5200, New York border. I'm the boiler man. That's what I am. And I'm here to fix whatever I can. If you're getting cold. All right, guys, part of the installation, we always think about the future, right? Maintenance. Guys, you know I advocate about maintenance. So we did the return line. We did about 60 to 70 feet of 1.25-inch black pipe. And in the future, they need to get flushed because they're going to create scaling. The moment you have oxygen, you have water, you're going to create corrosion. That's inevitable. It happens in all steam boilers, all steam systems, and it just happens, right? So guess what? We have a ball valve here. Boom, we close it just like that. We have another one right over here. Boom, we close it just like that. And guess what? So we put a actual water hose. So we have a heel tee right on this side with a drain cock. So what would we do? We have another one on the other end with another heel tee, another drain cock. So we put water on this side, and then we put another hose on the other side. So basically, we're gonna pressurize the lines and blow out the return line every year, at least once a year is minimal. Why? Because we're here to blow out all the scale, all the buildup, all that muddy, shitty water that builds up throughout the course of the winter, throughout the course of the year. So we wanna make sure we do that maintenance, guys. Most people have steam systems, don't have this, especially if they're old systems. But the beautiful thing about this job is that it's a new installation, we got new return piping, and he's ready to go for another, I would say another 50 years. 50! That's right, guys, I won't be around, but hopefully this video will last forever. And you guys will always learn something from the HVAC Papi. Wepa! What it's gonna do, there's nothing really to do anything. Like, it's an automatic water feeder right over here. So you don't have to do anything. For whatever reason, let's just say this fails. For whatever, you have a bypass over here. So you open it, you can do a bypass it, open and close.
Right. And I watch over here.
This is always going to maintain the water level. There's a probe here. It's only going to maintain it somewhere pretty much where it's at. That's always going to be where it's going to be at.
Perfect.
You know, so when it goes lower than that, goes down to water level, it's going to shut off, and it's going to tell the automatic 150 feet water to the boiler. The only thing I would tell you to do was, like, you know, at least once when we're like the dead heart of winter, just because that's the nature of dealing with steam boilers. When you have water mixed with oxygen, you create corrosion. There's inevitable. Everybody has it. So what you want to do is try to just flush it out. You want the water to be clear. And the reason for that is because you don't want any stale water, like that muddy.
So I clear it from there.
Clear from here. My hair's fine. Okay. My hair's fine.
Until it stops, until it's not, but I need to shut stuff off.
No, it doesn't matter. Because even if the water level was lower, it's going to do it automatically. You just want the water to be clean.
Just to be clean, okay. Just enough so the water comes out clean. Okay,
yeah.
Good.
You know, whenever you, like, you know, I don't know about you, but like you wipe your butt and you get to the point that, oh, it's clean, right? Because it's like, oh, it's dirty, and we clean again.
You know what? I use a bidet.
A bidet? Yeah. Oh! So like, yeah. That's not bad, man.
What about this drain here? What that's that guy?
That's just if we have to take out water from the return.
Okay.
That's all. Shit, I don't get a bidet for my boiler. How do you like it?
Beautiful. Now what about this guy?
That's a drain. There's a drain here, and here. So we have one that comes from the boiler, from the factory, but we add another one here, another one there.
So it's better than to forget about the one from the factory.
Yeah, I mean, I like these valves better than these. That's my preference. You know, these do go for the factory, but these are better. There's better quality, more durable. But either way, it's the same yellow.
And if it's got water, there's a problem. So I have to check that like once a year.
No, this is why it's a skimmer, because sometimes you got like floating mierda on top of the water, right. And then what happens is you want to skim it. We call that a skimmer. So whatever's on top of the water is floating. You just want it to come, go over. So basically, if the water comes up over here, it's just to take out anything what's floating on top of the water.
So how often do I check this?
When you do the maintenance, that's the time to do it. Like when you do the maintenance like once a year, that means the time you want to do it. It's pretty straightforward.
You told me that I have to fix this. This is wrong.
Yeah.
It should come down.
It's supposed to go down. It's going up. I don't know why it's going up, but
well, that's where it was.
That's what happened when we hired burros. I had that today in my social media. I said, listen, I love the burro. I love the burros and burras. You know why I love the burros and burras? But those burras gives me a job. And I love it. So all the burros that you watch out there, I love you guys. Thank you. Wepa.
Can I say something? Look, it's feeling water.
Oh, that's not good. That's not bueno. So maybe it's been leaking. It's just that it's just pushing water over the top. If this can't be leaked, it's not supposed to be leaking. It's not supposed to be leaking at all. This is your relief valve.
I have to change the valve, obviously.
Yes, and this is supposed to be facing down.
Facing down, right. So I'm gonna get a new relief valve.
And it facing out with a strip back.
Right.
It's there to protect you. Like if there's any increase in pressure, it's supposed to relieve pressure. Just like when you do a bell, go,
Okay.
That's exactly what you gotta do.
So what I do is I'm gonna use some of this.
Do the bucket. Yeah, just exactly. That's where the fail comes out.
For something like
Yeah,
Yeah, you gotta check over there because it should have turned on already.
Yeah.
You just want to just double check.
I heard the thing click.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you show me the thermostat, please?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, mi gente. This is what I'm talking about, baby. This is what it is, baby. Customer service. Customer service. Are you watching? Are you listening to the words that are coming out of my mouth? Stay tuned, mi gente. We got great content coming your way. This is only one HVAC Papi. That's me, Wepa. Mi gente, it's Louis the Boilerman, and it's time to keep your home cool. Wepa. Fuego, it's the New York Papi. Fuego, it's the HVAC Papi. Fuego, y está caliente. Louis the Boilerman is here to cool me, gente. Hot outside, and it's gonna get it hotter. On New York, Boiler, well, cool your gas. 516-377-5200, and Louis, who you mentioned, Wepa.